dear students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Seema Dudley. Welcome to my another video on data analytics. In this video, we will discuss about the file-based data structure and also Avro file-based data structures. The data structures in Hadoop are of two file formats, SequenceFile format and MapFile format. This SequenceFile are files that are designed by Hadoop to store binary forms of data. And this SequenceFile can used as a container, that is, all the files packaged into the SequenceFile class can be efficiently stored and processed as small files. The key and value in SequenceFile can be any type, writable or a custom writable type. And the next one is the MapFile. The MapFile is the sequence file of the sorted index and can be found based on a key. Unlike a sequence file, MapFile key must implement writable comparable interface. That is, the key value is comparable and value is a writable type. An introduction to Avro files. It was developed by Doug Cutting, the father of Hadoop. Avro stores both the data definition and the data together in one message or in one file, and it helped the programmers to dynamically understand the information stored in an Avro file or message. Avro stores the data definition in JSON format, making it easy to read and interpret the data. And the data in Avro file are stored in binary format, and it uses binary format to make it compact and efficient. And more about Avro files. Avro is a row-oriented remote procedure call and data serialization framework developed within Apache Hadoop project. Then this Avro files is a data serialization system, and it has a schema-based system. This Avro uses JSON format to declare the data structures. Presently, it supports languages like Java, C, C++, C#, Python, and Ruby. The Avro provides some features, that is advantages, like it is rich data structure. It is a compact, fast, and binary data format. Then it can be used as a container file to store persistent data. It uses RPC, that is remote procedure call. And last, it is simple integration with dynamic language. That is, code generation is not required to read or write data files, not to use or implement RPC protocols. That is, this JSON can be used in any system that has JSON libraries. JSON library ഉള്ള ഏത് ലാംഗ്വേജസ് ഇംപ്ലിമെന്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ ആ സിസ്റ്റത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. Then we can check how to create Avro schema. And Avro schema is created by using JSON format, and JSON is a short form of JavaScript object notation, and it is a lightweight text-based data interchange format that is intended to be easy for humans to read and write. Now we can check how an Avro schema is written using a JSON record. And for writing Avro schema using JSON record, we need type, namespace, name, and fields. Type, namespace, name, and fields. Type defines the JSON field type. Type defines the JSON field type. And the namespace defines under which namespace the field is defined. Okay, here under the namespace com.example, and it has the name, full name, and the different fields in it is first and last. That means this schema defines person's full name. Now we can explain the four different fields in the schema, that is type, namespace, name, and fields. We have seen type in the example, and I have already mentioned that it identifies the JSON field type. And for Avro schemas, this must always be mentioned as record. And we have seen this type in two different places. It is under the document as well as under the field named fields. ഫീൽഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിനകത്തും നമ്മൾ ഈ ടൈപ്പ് കണ്ടിരുന്നു, ആൻഡ് അല്ലാതെ ഫസ്റ്റും നമ്മൾ ടൈപ്പ് കണ്ടിരുന്നു. ഫസ്റ്റിലുള്ള ടൈപ്പാണ് ഐഡന്റിഫൈസ് ദ JSON field type, and next is after the name section we have seen the inside the field section we have seen the type. ആ ടൈപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഫീൽഡിന്റെ ഡേറ്റ ടൈപ്പിനെയാണ് മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. And second is the namespace. This namespace, this field describes the name of the namespace in which the object resides. Object എവിടെയാണോ reside ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആ ഫീൽഡിനെയാണ് ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് namespace. Next is a name. This field also come under two sections, that is under the document section as well as under the field named fields. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് സെക്ഷനിൽ വരുന്നുണ്ട് ഈ നെയിം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. In case of document, it describes the schema name, and in case of field, it describes the field name. Okay, schema name first ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ document സെക്ഷനിലാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ it defines the schema name. ഇനി ഫീൽഡിനകത്തുള്ള നെയിം ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ it defines the field name. And next is the fields, and this is the actual schema definition. ഈ fields എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ് actual schema definition. It defines what fields are contained in the value and the data type of each field. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ രണ്ട് ടൈപ്പ് വരുന്നതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് ഫീൽഡ്സും മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് and also its data type. Assignment question: explain Avro file-based data structure in Hadoop and the creation of Avro schemas using an example. Complete the assignment and forward it to the email ID provided to you. Thank you.